Buckle up, hair enthusiasts. The WolfCut is making a ferocious comeback for autumn 2025, and it's the edgier, cooler sibling of the classic 70s Shag that everyone's buzzing about. If you figured the WolfCut was just a fleeting trend that had fizzled out, prepare to be proven wrong in the most thrilling way. This rebellious style, born from blending the textured chaos of the 70s Shag with the layered depth of early 2000s cuts, is hotter than ever and here to stay. Imagine those choppy, face-framing layers mixed with a dash of controlled mayhem that screams effortless coolness. It's the kind of haircut that turns heads without trying too hard. From viral videos on #BeautyTalk to dazzling appearances on celebrity red carpets and even at your neighborhood salon, the WolfCut is winning hearts everywhere. And trust us, it's easy to see why. It's messy in the most delightful, lived-in way that feels authentically chic. To dive deeper into this must-know trend, we chatted with the ultimate insider, Kaz Sakis, the genius hairstylist and 3-time British Hairdresser of the Year, who also serves as Tony Guy's global creative director. His work has graced the runways of London Fashion Week, so you know he's got the expertise to back up every tip. But here's where it gets intriguing. Did you know that the WolfCut's resurgence isn't just about nostalgia? It's evolving in ways that make it feel fresh and modern. Speaking of related trends, if you're loving this, you might also enjoy exploring the coolest hair colors hitting the scene this autumn, from the moody depth of somber brunette to the warm glow of caramel silk. And for a blast from the past, check out the most iconic 70s hairstyles that paved the way for cuts like the feathered look and the shag itself. So what exactly is a WolfCut? And where did this wild style come from? At its core, the WolfCut is a clever mix of the 70s Shag and the 80s mullet, featuring bold, choppy layers infused with plenty of attitude. It's gained massive popularity on TikTok, where creators are playing around with unique shapes and textures, embracing its raw, imperfect vibe that feels like it's straight out of a rock concert or a carefree adventure. And this is the part most people miss. How does the WolfCut put a contemporary twist on the timeless 70s Shag? While both share that signature movement and texture that gives hair life and bounce, the Shag tends to be softer and more flowing, reminiscent of icons like Stevie Nicks with her gentle waves. In contrast, the WolfCut amps up the sharpness, incorporating shorter layers around the crown for a more bold, disconnected top section. Yet they both feature those shorter bits in the front and longer strands at the nape, creating a versatile silhouette that adapts to your mood. The beauty of the WolfCut lies in its ability to evolve, wear it sleek one day and tousled the next, which is why it's endured for decades. No matter how you rock it, embrace the fun and don't overthink it. It's all about that playful spirit. Which celebrities are rocking the WolfCut in ways that make it unforgettable? Thanks to its adaptability, it's a favorite among stars who want to mix versatility with a touch of rebellion. Miley Cyrus brings her rock and roll edge to it, while Billie Eilish and Alexa Chung opt for a softer take that still oozes attitude and intrigue. Think mystery and effortless charm. But here's where things might get controversial. Does the WolfCut suit everyone? Or is it only for the bold few? It's absolutely ideal for those with natural texture in their hair, offering a way to enhance curls or waves without fuss. Plus, it's perfect for anyone craving a defiant look that's not overly flashy. Just remember, it demands a bit of self-assurance to pull off that deliberately unstructured vibe. For beginners, this means thinking of it as a haircut that celebrates imperfection. If you're shy about messiness, it might feel challenging at first, but once you embrace it, it can boost your confidence. Styling a WolfCut is simpler than it seems, though it has to appear like you didn't spend hours on it. The key is to twist sections of your hair or gently tug at the lengths while rough drying to create natural volume. Scrunching with your hands adds that lived-in texture. To enhance the look, reach for a sea salt spray, something like Label.M Fashion Edition Sea Salt Spray, which gives a beachy, imperfect finish that feels real and effortless. Maintaining this cut is crucial if you want to keep its magic alive. Schedule trims every 6 to 8 weeks with your stylist to preserve those sharp layers. Otherwise, as the hair grows, the texture shifts and the whole aesthetic changes dramatically. Prep your locks with styling products and let them air dry when possible to maintain that natural flow. Even though it looks wild and unkempt, your hair deserves top-notch care. Treat it to weekly deep conditioning sessions. For instance, Label M-Plex Bond Repairing Miracle Mask is a game changer, strengthening and nourishing your strands to keep them smooth, manageable, and ready for whatever adventure comes next. What do you think? Is the WolfCut a rebellious must-have that's here to revolutionize hairstyles? Or just another fleeting fad in the beauty world? Do you agree that its messy charm is empowering, or does it risk looking too chaotic for everyday wear? Share your opinions in the comments below. We'd love to hear if you've tried it or have a celebrity crush on this look.